First, let's start with all the material. We'll require the yarn. Then I'm using 3.75 needle and the stick and also scissors. So first start with the knot and 48 chains. So for row 2, we are going to skip this first stitch and we'll start from the second one, and into each stitch we'll make one half double crochet like this. Let's finish this for all the stitches. So here we are at the end of the row first. Now we are going to make chain 2, turn our work, and then this is we are considering our first double crochet. And now, as you can see, into this first loop we'll make 2 double crochet. This is first and second. So now this is total of 3 double crochet. Now let's skip the next stitch, this one, and into the third stitch we'll make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So these are our 3 double crochet. So the same thing we'll have to repeat for rest of the stitches, which is, now we have made 3 double crochet, then skip the next stitch and again into the other stitch we'll make 3 double crochet. So repeat the same thing. And here we are at the end of this row, and as you can see we are left with these 2 stitches. Skip this one and this is the very first one and make 3 double crochet into that. So this is how our second row is completed. Let's make row 3. Chain 2, turn your work, and now into the first stitch 1 double crochet, then into the next stitch 1 more double crochet. Now we'll make chain 2 and we'll just make 1 picot, and into the same stitch we'll make 1 more double crochet, and into the next stitch once again 1 more double crochet, and lastly chain 1 and slip stitch. So this is the shape of our petal because we have added this picot. More time I'll show you. Chain 1, then into the next stitch 1 double crochet, then into the next stitch 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 picot, then one double crochet again into the same stitch, then into the next stitch one double crochet, chain 1, and into the next stitch slip stitch. So look at these petals, as we'll just turn them, it will look like this. So let's continue this for all the stitches. So here I am at the end of this row, and I have not completed it with the chain one. I have just finished it at the double crochet. That is okay if you do so, because it is anyway going to go inside. Now we'll just cut the thread because this was our last row. Leaf part, for that make a magic ring and chain 2, and into this magic circle we'll make 6 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the thread, close the circle, and into this first stitch, make a slip stitch. Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and from the second stitch we'll work into this stitch, one slip stitch, then into the next stitch we are going to work one single crochet, then third one half double crochet, and into the fourth stitch double crochet, and again into this last stitch one more double crochet. So this is how our leaf will look like. And now skip this stitch, and into this stitch we'll make slip stitch. This is how we have closed our leaf. With the same manner we'll make one more leaf. The slip stitch. This is our second leaf, and this is our leaf part is ready, and total of we got 5 leaves. Now just chain 1 and cut off the thread. Now we are going to join this to the stick. So now let's just attach it. First just put the hot glue and your stick. Then you just have to roll it around on these edges. So here we have attached our rose. Now it's time to attach the leaf. Just insert it from this hole and place here, and just stick it with the glue gun, each leaf like this. And here our leaf and the rose is attached. Now we'll just wrap the green thread around the stick. And here we have completed our beautiful rose. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.